you say cowgum? I said. Did you tell her about this story?
Get ready for the longest insult, because it's coming.
Wait a second. I'm just laughing because you said cowgum and she expressed to me how much she hates it when you like.
You sandwich stealing, nickname Indian giving.
Your face is turning red.
I don't even know the others.
Sandwich stealing, nickname,
Indian giving.
Flaming.
Barbie sweatshirt wearing.
Barbie sweatshirt stealing.
For the record, you just moved. You were like.
Joke over doing flaming. Oh. Killing me pass out.